Now, you all remember how many times I've called out Tecno to make sure its premium smartphones get the latest Android software. Like the Tecno Phantom series, the Tecno Camon series, they are the major lineup from Tecno. And this year 2021, Tecno has listened, which is good news. So before the end of this year and early next year 2022, some of these Tecno smartphones I have on my table here will be upgrading to Android 12. They were launched out of the box running Android 11, but will now upgrade to Android 12. This is a big deal. This will help Tecno to compete squarely against other brands like Xiaomi and Samsung out there in the market. The Tecno Camon 17 and Tecno Phantom X will be the first Tecno devices to get the latest Android 12 update. The screen software will be iOS 8.5 and it will be based on the Android 12. So for those of you having iOS 7.6, you'll be getting an update to upgrade to Android 8.5, and subsequent info should lead to Android 12. Now, why is this important, you may ask? Well, for two reasons. First, major software updates brings improvements in different areas of smartphones. Key improvements such as software infrastructure, security and privacy, connectivity, and better user experience. So the smartphones will be redesigned to be more responsive to users. The second reason why major software update is important is because it saves cost. It helps you consumers to use the device for a longer time. So instead of buying a new Tecno smartphone every year, with major software upgrade, you can use one phone for multiple years because it will be running on the newest software. For example, if you have bought the Tecno Camon 17, it will run Android 11 out of the box in 2021. By 2022, you have upgraded to Android 12. That means you necessarily don't have to buy Android 12 software again until 2023 when Android 13 is out. So you see, it saves money and at the same time have the latest software running on your device. This is a welcome development and I hope future Tecno smartphones will keep getting software updates going forward. But for now, I can only confirm that Tecno Camon 17 and Tecno Phantom X will be getting the iOS 8.5 and the Android 12 update. For other smartphones like Tecno Camon 18 Premier, Tecno Camon 17P, and just the Tecno Camon and previous Tecno Phantom series like the Phantom 9, those will be getting, I can't confirm yet those will be getting the Android 12. But the Camon 17 and Phantom X are sure, they are guaranteed to be getting the Android 12. The update is rolling out already and very soon you should get yours. So let me know if you have the Tecno Camon 17 or Tecno Phantom X. Have you gotten any update of recent? Let us know, share your experience with us in the comment section. But it's a good news, the fact that Tecno few selected smartphones can now upgrade to Android 12, that is a big deal. So that means in 2022, more of these steps or software improvements or upgrades from Tecno will become more paramount, something important. And that will also help the end users, you consumers, to have better experience with Tecno smartphones. So it's a win-win for the consumer and a win-win for the company. I'm impressed. I'm happy Tecno listening. You know, I'm always an advocate disturbing Tecno to make sure that major smartphones, Phantom and Camon series get upgrade to major software or latest or newest software from Google. I'm impressed and I hope Tecno keep up this new improvements. So let me know what you think in the comment section about Tecno smartphones. Their major key players, the Phantom and Camon series, now getting latest software updates. Let me know what you think in the comment section. Thanks for watching. It's my GA and I'll see you around in my next one.